Hello, you beautiful people. That was just a crazy visual effect. Welcome to our new series, which is Winter is Coming. In this very special series, I'm going to show you food which is going to be delicious, comforting, and super tasty. The winter special recipe that I'm going to show you today is Palak Dal Khichdi. And trust me, I'm going to make it very simple for you, cooked under pressure using a pressure cooker. The first step is to heat the pan, the pressure pan or the cooker, whatever you're using, and add in a tablespoonful of desi ghee. And once that begins to heat, we'll add in mustard seeds and allow these to splutter before we add in cumin seeds. Along with this, dried red chilies. If you're a fan of green chilies, by all means, please add that. And along with this, red onions, finely chopped. Let's stir this and cook this till the onions turn golden brown in color. Well, almost there, borderline. In the show Game of Thrones, we've seen some extreme weather conditions, and extreme weather conditions actually lead to storage. Well, we also in our country do a lot of storage, especially when it comes to our winter produce. Winter produce like fenugreek leaves, or mutton or green peas, or even something like spinach. Personally, I pick the spinach, I wash it well, I chop it nicely, puree it, blanch it, and then this goes straight in the freezer. Well, this is frozen spinach. If you haven't watched Game of Thrones, watch it right away. After spinach, I'm also adding in paste of ginger and garlic and mixing this till the raw flavor of ginger and garlic goes away. It's been a minute on medium flame. Let's add in powder spices. In this case, I personally love the combination of spinach and coriander powder. So coriander seeds powder, and along with this, just a touch of red chili powder. Remember, do not overdo this because the color of the khichdi will change drastically. So just a touch of it. Along with this, roughly cut tomatoes and rice along with pigeon lentils. Now this is basically 1 cup of rice, half a cup of pigeon lentils or tur dal, which is washed and soaked for at least 2 hours. Throw away the water in which it has been soaking. The next to this is of course water. Now, you need to follow a basic ratio for something like this. 1 cup of rice, half a cup of tur dal and 3 cups of water. Remember that. Finally to this, half teaspoon of salt, which of course can be adjusted later and depends completely on your and your family preference. One final mix. And with this, your Palak Dal Khichdi is ready to cook under pressure. Let's cover the lid of the pressure cooker. Increase the flame to medium high and allow this to cook under 3 whistles or for 20 minutes. Now, in words of Lord Peter Baelish, knowledge is power, and that brings us to the next segment. Let's move in. Let me first tell you how to buy spinach this winter. Spinach has to look dark green in color. The leaves have to look crisp, not yellow, not wilted. Also, they all have to look visually appealing. Spinach is also considered to be a superfood. Why is that so? It's loaded with vitamins, manganese, magnesium, iron, and so much more. If Popeye can get his strength from it, so can you and I. Let's head back to the kitchen. It's been 3 whistles. With this, off goes the flame and allow this to settle down for at least 10 minutes. And after that, we plate the Palak Dal Khichdi. The pressure has subsided. Time to unveil the Palak Dal Khichdi. One quick stir before this finally goes into the serving bowl. Game of Thrones as a series is not only about happy moments. There have been several sad moments. Well, one of those sad moments that I thought was really heart-wrenching was the part where Ned Stark was actually no more. It's like a bolt, like a shock. In the comment section, actually, you let me know which has been your favorite character and that one sad moment where you felt that character was really needed. Let's add in a dollop of ghee. And with this, the Palak Dal Khichdi straight goes on the dinner table. Do try this winter because winter is coming. We all have had this crazy battle with the pandemic, and this actually calls for boosting your immune system with foods that are healthy and tasty at that. So do try this. I can walk like Brandon Stark, come to your balconies and check if you're actually making the Palak Dal Khichdi or not. Well, jokes apart, if you've liked the video, do not forget to like it and stay tuned to Rajshri Food because winter is coming every Wednesday. Stay tuned.